Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be learning how to create our e-business card with the use of Canva. Yes, it is possible for us to create a business card with the use of Canva that can be used online, and if possible you can actually get a printer around you and print it out in colored, then use your scissors or your cutter to cut it out. Yes, it is possible. Sometimes maybe you are going for a special event and you just want to design something special like a business card that you want to actually distribute there. So it is possible with the use of Canva, and you can actually print it right away anytime, any day, or even use it online. So I'll be right back with the step, and I'm very sure that you have already subscribed to this channel. I'll be right back. Welcome back. So let's go to our workspace as we start the exploration right away. As I said, we are learning how to create business card with the use of Canva, and the website is canva.com, as we all know. And what I'm going to be doing, let me first search business card. So business card, I'm searching because I need the size so that the size will be moderate. You can see all the templates they already have. You can take any of the templates, and with that you can continue your design, and that's in case you don't actually have an idea of the kind of business card you want to create. So let me just use a blank one, which I'll be using my own creativity to create the kind of business card that I want. So it is simple, as I said. The first thing you need to do is to get all the information down. So if you have all the information down, this will be very easy for you to actually start up. So I'm going to be the first thing. Let me first add background. I want to start with a black background, and let's see what I can do with a black background as a business card. Let me go to my elements, and let me check where are they. Let me first check the word gradient. I think on gradient there are some design there that I can easily use, and they will give me some kind of creative effects. This is not bad. This is how I want to use it. Then from here right now, there's still lots there. This is also another design, but I think I'm going to go for this. I think this is they're almost the same thing. Almost the same thing. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add my information. Some of my information are going to be here. So let me see whether, instead of making it orange, let me see whether I can make it black. Is this black making sense? No. So these two colors, I think they are still manageable, or orange and black. Okay, this is not that looking appealing at all. On else, I want to turn it over and use this side. Yep, it's not bad. The next thing, let me first look at maybe my business logo. Some people actually had their, instead of business logo, they had what's it called, they had their own image. So in case you want to add your own image, it is fine. Just make sure you decide first what exactly you want to use. So I'm going to be using this. This is the logo of my company, this Apple. Then after this, the next thing I'm going to do, I need a gradient line. There is a long gradient line. I normally say not this. Let me see under more whether, okay, this is it. I delete you. So this is what I'm looking for. Make it longer. Yep. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, you can add barcode. You can create your own barcode. Let me teach you how to create a barcode. Just random one. Just go on google.com, create barcode. You can create a barcode. I forgot the site, but let me see whether I can. There's a site I normally use. This and add. This cannot give me the results. Free barcode generator. Yeah. So adding a free barcode generator. Let me just say, let me open 3 sites and see the one that can give me the results. Okay, this is one kind of barcode. So what am I adding here? I'm adding my more of my details. 08134096110 or $. Detola Ebenezer Israel generates barcode. This is the barcode. I want it like this. Okay, so this is one barcode. Let me download it, but it actually download as what's the name of the file again, as a zip file. So let's unzip, extract file. Okay, you are not seeing this. I'm trying to extract the file out to coming. You are going to get what I extracted out now. Surprise! Let me show you what I extracted out of that file. These are the two loading. Hope you guys are loading. But let me just use upload. I kept them under my these are the two files. Forgot to upload the second one again. Okay, let's see what we can do with those two. This is the first one. This is not bad. That means they are going to scan and degenerate. Normally it's meant to be at the back of your, so but you have to have the back. So if I want to create the back now, this can, if this is the back, I can make this smaller. That means make this smaller. Making it smaller than from here right now. I'm bringing this and use it anyhow I feel like. But I do like, let's check another type of barcode. This is the type of barcode I do like. So this is QR barcode. So I am adding for that dollar EBN EZER. So great. That's great. Let's see whether it's going to download immediately. It's trying to do some. There's some privacy stuff around this. If they are giving me trouble, I will just move to another site to create. Because there are so many sites to actually use to create. This is another site again. Okay, I think this is it. No, let me use the format you have. Yeah, download. Yeah, this is nice. Also a zip. So for zip, you need to go and right click. When you right click a zip, you can extract. You will extract it out. So when you extract it out, that is when you have the opportunity to see what is inside the file. It is good to actually extract. You can only extract them out to use them. So if you don't, you won't have opportunity to use them. So I'm going back to my designer. I'm clicking on upload, clicking on device, and let me see what I've extracted out. This is what I've extracted out, and this is the type of barcode I do like to use. If anybody actually scan this now, they are going to find what I have actually written there in the barcode. So this is nice. You can use this online. How do you use it online? If this is the first page, you can download it as PDF print so that you print it out. You can also download it as JPEG so that you can use them online. I hope I have helped you out with using Canva as to create a business card, and you can also use some of their templates. Just click on template. They have countless of templates. Let me show you before I move on. Look at this template. This is a lovely template, simple and straightforward, so you can use some of this. So thank you very much for staying tuned from the beginning of this video to the end. I will be right back with more steps on how to use Canva. Thank you. Bye.